The process of cutting down acres of trees in West Bloomfield Township has started despite the opposition of some people living nearby. It's happening just south of Maple Road near Henry Ford West Bloomfield Hospital, which is expanding to add a new mental health facility. Victor Williams is live with a look at what's happening and the opposition to it. Victor, good evening.
Yes, good evening, Kimberly. We are not too far away from where the cutting has started, right over there. Some people are totally against this.
Our neighbors, our homes are enhanced by these woods.
Tony Spakashny says he's one of many against the forest near his home being cut down to make way for Henry Ford Hospital's West Bloomfield building expansion for behavioral health.
I feel like I'm losing a friend. I feel that that all our efforts to preserve, to allow these things to grow naturally.
It's multiple acres of trees believed to be at least 100 years old. Tony is actually the former chair for the township's environmental commission who resigned as a form of protest. He says back in 1979, he tried to prevent this with a special ordinance.
We allowed for a 25% taking of trees, and in this case, Henry Ford is taking 60% of the woods.
Tony even says the hospital could have taken other measures also, but mainly points the finger at the township.
And they could have approached Henry Ford and they could have said, we really have a problem here. You're knocking down a stand of trees described by our forester to be the most valuable stand of trees in southeastern Michigan.
Township officials sent over the following statement, which in part reads, quote, "The Planning Commission took into consideration the Environmental Commission's recommendation, however, ultimately determined the project met the requirements for approval on November 23rd, 2021. And the Henry Ford Health System also sent over the following statement, which reads, "The need for mental health services has reached crisis levels across our nation. When we acquired the land in the 1980s, we committed to being good neighbors and mindful stewards of the land. Our newest development meets all state environmental regulations, and of the 40 acres rezoned for this project, we are only using 15. In West Bloomfield Township, Victor Williams, Local 4.
We'll continue to follow it to see how it pans out. Victor, thank you.